Hi friends, today we're going to take a little sneak peek of what we're going to be going over tomorrow in class. So, we are going to go over The Ugly Duckling. The Ugly Duckling is an old fairy tale story. If you've read it, great. If you haven't, don't worry, we're going to read it tomorrow in class together. So here's a little sneak peek of of a picture of the story. So I want you to think about what you think the story might be about. So brainstorm and come up with 2 ideas of what you think that the story might be about. Now, after you came up with 2 ideas of what you think the story is going to be about, I want you to watch this video and it'll explain the story, okay? And in class tomorrow, we will read the story together. We're going to partner read, summarize, and retell. We're going to do lots of fun activities with the Ugly Duckling. So make sure you watch that video, and before you watch it, make sure you brainstorm what you think that the video will be about, okay? Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow.